everyone, it's your girl Rose. Welcome back to my channel. A couple weeks ago, I posted a video giving you a tour of my brand new camper van, which I've been living in full time for the past few months. And it seems like a lot of you guys really liked it. So I thought I would take you a little bit behind the scenes and show you what it looks like when I'm actually living in my van. Now, right now, at this moment, I'm recording in a hotel in Vegas. I'm here for a conference, but normally I do live full-time in my van, and typically I will live as if I live in a regular house, you know, working in the daytime remotely and hang out with friends at night, park on a city street. But last week I decided to do something a little different, take the whole week off and take the van to Sequoia National Park, which, for those of you who don't know, has the giant sequoia trees, which are the largest trees in the world. It was such a treat for me to be there all cozy in my little van among these giant trees, so I thought I would do a little vlog style video and take you along for the ride. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, baby. 밥 먹어, 주기. Come here. Food. Mwah. Yum. Good boy. Fresh juice, Vanlife. I don't get to shower every day, but I drink fresh juice every single day. Holy crap, just look at that view. Oh my god. There is something so special about these sequoia trees. When I walked up to one for the first time, I just felt its energy, and seriously, it brought tears to my eyes. I can't even explain it. Just something so magical. Just thinking about the wisdom and the energy carried by these trees that have been here for so long. It's seriously incredible. Hi, baby! Hey! Joopy! What's up? What's up? Well, so now the question is, when I get to the campground, do I make a fire and then make food in the fire, or do I just cook something on my stove in the van? Because I'm really hungry and I don't think I want to wait till the fire is ready. So I think I'm just gonna pull up and make some noodles. Super hungry. Alright, I really want to make dinner, but I just had to fill up water first. So this is my water tank. It holds about 30 gallons and it was running low. I mean, I still had enough left for the rest of the night, but I never want to let it run all the way empty because you just never know. Joopy, what are you doing? Huh? What a weirdo. Okay, so for dinner, I'm thinking this creamy cashew sauce with rice noodle dish and crunchy vegetables that I have been wanting to make for a while. I actually have the crunchy vegetables sliced up and ready to go, so this will be pretty quick. I am so hungry. Let's get cooking. Cilantro, all the vegetables. Ooh, appetizers. Definitely appetizers. We need, what else? Hummus and crackers always saves me every single time. It's so good. A little more sauce for good measure. Some cashews and dinner is served. It was so incredible to spend time with these magical trees. There's nothing quite like standing next to a giant sequoia and just realizing how humble we are compared to anything that Mother Nature can create. One of the things that originally called to me about van life was how easy it is to just drive to somewhere beautiful and spend time in nature. But even when I got the van, I actually found myself just hustling, spending hours on my laptop inside the van instead of taking it on adventures. In fact, my life up till now has been all about hustle and proving myself. And to be honest, lately I was feeling tired. So I finally stopped making excuses, cleared my calendar, and this trip to Sequoia, I just spent my days looking at trees, trying new recipes in my little van kitchen, watching the sunsets, and just not being on my phone. It was a total reset and reminded me what life is really about. Work, hustle, making money, all that is great, but let's not forget why we're all working so hard. It's so that we can have moments like these, finding happiness in the present moment and just enjoying the simple things in life. As for what's next for me, after 4 months of full-time van life, I'm ready to switch gears a little and do normal life just for a while. I'm parking the van here in Vegas and heading to Mexico City, where I'm hoping to put down some roots, buy a small condo to have as a home base, and then use the van as my mobile home for whenever I'm in the US. It's all part of a very alternative approach to home ownership that will allow me the freedom, flexibility, and low financial overhead that I'm looking for. Thank you for following my sometimes weird journey. It doesn't always make sense to me either, but I'm just a 30-something trying to carve out my own path in life, and I'll be sure to share it all here with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more updates soon about Mexico City, van life, finances, and just how I practice what I preach in my own life. So I hope you'll subscribe if you're new around here, and I will talk to you again very soon.